Hello everyone. Welcome to Elif's Kitchen. Today I want to share with you a breakfast recipe that will become indispensable for Sunday breakfasts. Both very filling and incredibly delicious. Let's put 4 eggs in a mixing bowl. I've added about 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Let's beat them well. Let's use a non-stick pan large enough to fit our lavash breads. Spread about half a tablespoon of butter all over the pan. Add about 4 to 5 tablespoons of beaten eggs to the pan using a large serving spoon and spread evenly. As you can see in the video, place 1 lavash bread on top. Arrange 5 slices of salami on top. Sprinkle generously with grated cheddar cheese. Place another lavash bread on top. Slice 1 tomato into thin rounds and arrange on top. And again sprinkle generously with grated cheddar cheese. Place another lavash bread on top and arrange 5 more slices of salami. Again sprinkle generously with grated cheddar cheese. Place the final lavash bread on top. I've used 4 lavash breads in total. About 150 grams of cheddar cheese. And 10 slices of salami. Pour all the remaining beaten eggs on top, spreading evenly to cover all sides. Then place the pan on the stove and cover with a lid. Cook on medium-low heat for about 4 to 5 minutes. I cooked it for 5 minutes. Grease a flat serving plate and flip our breakfast dish onto it. Grease the pan again with about half a tablespoon of butter. I used 1 tablespoon of butter in total. Place the breakfast dish back in the pan. Cover again and continue cooking on medium-low heat for about 4 to 5 more minutes. The breakfast dish cooked in 10 minutes total. Let's transfer it to a serving plate while hot. Slice and serve hot. As you can see, it's very easy to make. And turned out to be an incredibly delicious breakfast dish. I highly recommend you try it at least once. I'm sure you and your loved ones will love it when you try it. This is a great recipe to get your kids who don't eat eggs to consume eggs. Bon appetit in advance to those who will try it. If you enjoyed my video up to this point, you can support me with your likes, comments, and shares. Thank you for watching and for your interest.